What is going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna go pick up a new mic for my YouTube videos. I'm gonna go pick it up and then I'm gonna do a review on it. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Pretty sure you guys can tell it is snowy. My car is absolutely snowed on. But yeah, you guys enjoy the video. Alrighty, this is Saramonic 4-in-1 wireless microphone system. This is gonna be my new mic setup, I guess, and it comes with a lightning adapter, USB-C adapter, and a transmitter, obviously, so you can transmit the audio. This is the Saramonic mics. I really don't know what it looks like because I can't see. Oh, that's a nifty little setup here. Huh. This is a Saramonic mic. I hope it sounds okay. This is with the beanie. I hope this sounds okay. I'm not too exactly sure how this sounds or how it's going to sound. But you can even take the magnet. Even comes with the magnet, so you could even clip it to your shirt, like so. Which I like. I mean, it's pretty snug. I don't feel like it's gonna fall off at all. But this is the Saramonic mic test. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This is gonna be my new mic, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.